A pair of significant legal victories for a Spokane man who fatally shot a car thief last year. Gail Gerlach says that he had not been advised of his legal rights and didn't feel he was free to leave the scene. KXLY 4's Jeff Humphrey joins us now live at the Spokane Superior Court. You were in that hearing all afternoon today. Jeff, what's the latest?
Well, Nadine, late this afternoon, a Superior Court judge ruled that some of the statements that Gail Gerlach voluntarily made at police at the shooting scene are not admissible as evidence, and that means it'll be more difficult to prosecute Gerlach. Ironically, Gerlach catching a big legal break here today, in part because a police officer was just trying to be nice to him.
You solemnly swear that any testimony you'll give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
In October, Gail Gerlach explained to the court that he was in a daze in the moments after the shooting outside his North Spokane home.
It was a serious situation, and I was under serious emotional stress at the time. I'm not sure that I understood anything at the time.
Gerlach felt his use of deadly force was justified, and so he told arriving officers exactly what happened.
I had concerns for him, and I asked him, actually I said to him, maybe you should talk to an attorney.
And today a Superior Court judge ruled that everything Gerlach said after that police officer told him he should have an attorney is not admissible as evidence. Also today we learned for the first time that Gerlach had told the detective who interviewed him that he had reservations about the shooting.
And he made a couple of statements. He said, I wish I could live it over again. And I asked him why, and he said 20/20 is hindsight, and he wishes that he'd left to take his wife to work 5 minutes earlier.
In getting back to the police officer that advised Mr. Gerlach he should probably have an attorney, that's when Gerlach said, I'd like to, but I can't afford one. And the defense says that's when the police officer should have said, well, guess what? We'll give you an attorney at no charge if you can't afford one. The judge agreed today, and that's why everything after when Mr. Gerlach said, I'd like an attorney, but I can't afford one, is not going to be heard by his jury, and that's going to happen pretty soon. This trial expected to get underway here at the courthouse at the end of March. Reporting live in Spokane, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY 4.